Ever feel like you're hearing the same English sentences everywhere, but you're not quite sure how to use them yourself? Today, we're going to break down the top 10 daily English phrases people actually use.
That's such a practical idea. It's easy to overlook how much these everyday sentences shape real conversation. I'm Sophia, and together with Jay, we'll make sure you can slip these phrases into your own speech without sounding awkward.
You'll walk away knowing what these sentences mean, how to use them naturally, and even how to tweak them for different situations. We'll kick things off with classic greetings, dive into asking for help, handle apologies, and round it off with ways to express thanks.
Let's get started. And hey, if you want to sound more fluent in daily life, stick with us for all 10 phrases.
Let's jump right in with the first phrase, how's it going? This is a super common way to greet someone, even if you already saw them earlier.
It's so much friendlier than just saying hello. People use it everywhere at work, school, even in text messages when checking in.
That reminds me, it's often followed by a quick response like, good, thanks, and you? It keeps things casual and shows interest.
If you want to sound natural, try pairing it with a smile. You'll notice people open up more because it feels less stiff than formal greetings.
Next up is, could you help me with this? It's simple, clear, and polite. Something you'll hear daily when someone needs a hand.
Absolutely, and what's great is you can adjust it easily. Like, can you give me a hand? That's often used when something is physically tricky or just needs teamwork.
Funny thing, people rarely say, please help me, unless it's urgent. These softer versions sound way more friendly.
And if you want to make it even less formal, try mind helping me out. It's relaxed, and most native speakers use it without thinking.
Moving on, let's talk about apologizing. Sorry about that. Is a go-to phrase when you bump into someone or make a tiny mistake.
What's interesting is how often people use my bad for casual errors, like sending the wrong file or missing a call. It's less formal, but still polite.
And for bigger mistakes, you might hear, I didn't mean to. It's a way to show you weren't intentional and want to fix things.
Last week, someone apologized to me by saying, oops, that was me. It made the moment lighter, and that's what these phrases do. They soften the situation.
Let's shift gears and talk thanks. Thanks a lot, and I really appreciate it. These phrases make people feel valued for their help.
Sometimes you'll hear, you're a lifesaver, especially when someone goes out of their way, like helping out at the last minute.
Funny you say that. I used you're awesome recently when a friend fixed my computer. It instantly made her smile.
Little phrases like these go a long way. People remember the warmth more than the words themselves.
Now, for the final group, reacting and wrapping up, sounds good is a classic for agreeing to plans or suggestions.
I hear no worries all the time, especially if someone apologizes. It's a relaxed way to say everything's fine.
And when it's time to leave, catch you later. Or talk soon. Keeps the conversation friendly, but wraps it up quickly.
The best part? These phrases make daily interactions smoother, whether it's at work, with friends, or even with strangers.
To wrap up, let's highlight 3 key takeaways. First, daily English phrases are much friendlier than textbook language. Second, tweaking sentences gives you confidence. Third, these expressions help you connect faster with others.
So here's your action step. Pick 2 phrases from today and use them in your next conversation, whether it's online or in person. You'll be surprised at how smoothly things flow.
Thanks for joining us. Practice these sentences, and before you know it, you'll sound just like a native speaker.
We'll be back with more practical English tips, so keep listening. And don't forget to try out your new phrases today.